Hello friends, welcome to my video on AIBE help desk that is provided on allindiabarexamination.com. Before going further, I would like to thank you for the last time video watch time and subscription and the comment posted there. It is also requested to all of you to kindly watch the entire video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and comment with the like button. In order to know what is going to be further step after conducting of AIBE 15, when the results will be uploaded, what is going to be happen, how much is the percentage of passing and all those, I would like to clarify today here in this video. It is also mentioned that for the SC/ST candidates and the passing marks is 35% of the total number of questions that are going to be selected by the AIBE exam and 40% for the general and OBC candidates. That means in case if we are expecting that out of 100 questions, if 3 or 4 questions will going to be wrong or the answers are wrong in that case the marks would be taken out of 96 question. That is 96% of 40% of the 96 question, that comes to 36. If your 36 answers are correct, then you will going to be passed in the general and OBC category and 35% out of the 96 question for the SC/ST candidates, and they will be provided with the continuing of the practice in the examination. So here we are going to, in case we have any query, then how we can raise our query, we can post this. Today we are going to watch that. First we have to open allindiabarexamination.com, and on the left hand side on the topmost corner it is mentioned AIBE help desk. We'll open the AIBE help desk, and in that you have to write all the above mentioned columns. We'll first put name, then email ID, then registration number, then your registered mobile number, then query. If the query is related to refund adjustment of fees, is it the query is related to admit card issue, is it related to change of center, document issue, payment issue, photo and signature issue, absent in exam, result query, COP query and others. So in that case, the people who have already given the AIBE 15 exam, they can post the result query, or if the people with the AIBE 16 exam, they can select the or AIBE 15 people who have not given their paper, or they were unable to present at the center. So in that case they might have dropped the mail to AIBE, and then after that, in case they have not received the response, then you can mention these issues in this. Suppose in this for AIBE 15 we will be going to select AIBE query result query. Document upload, if you have anything to upload like your admit card or anything, and for which you are in AIBE, so 15 or 16. So for 15, and message that when the results are going to be posted on the AIBE website. Friends, as we know that it is already mentioned that it is already mentioned in the AIBE website. Then also if you have any doubt, you can send this request. By doing this, you can raise your request and you will be getting an email, after which your query will be resolved. Now comes to the next question, then when the results are going to be uploaded for the AIBE 15 exam. So it was mentioned that till 7th of February 2021 till 5 PM the objections were allowed, after which the final answer keys will be uploaded. So today is 11th, so we are expecting an final answer key maybe in another after 14th or 15th of February, and thereupon the results will going to be published maybe by the first week of March, which they have already mentioned, first or second week of March. So now people might be thinking that in case if they are unable to clear it, how to, whether they will not be getting a chance, as the date given in the AIB 16 exam is different in this. So you have to post your query. Then in that case, whether if you are not able to clear it, then whether you are able to appear for the AIB 16 exam or not. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. I again request you to kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon.